bag, and today I'm trying to find all of my candy. I don't know where it went. Maybe you guys can help me. The only way I can find it is if I sing Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa to some of my friends who I think have my candy. Oh, what's that? Candy, 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 candy. I wonder how they got that. So, I guess what I'll do is I'll just sing and ask them and see if they tell me. Here we go. Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar? No, Papa. Telling lies? No, Papa. Open your mouth. Ha, ha, ha. Do you guys think they have my candy? Me too. I'm gonna sing and ask them one more time. Johnny, Johnny? Yes, Papa. Are you eating sugar? No, Papa. Telling lies? No, Papa. Open your mouth. Ha, 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 ha. Do you guys think they have my candy or what? So let's sing and ask them one more time. Here we go. Johnny, Johnny.